Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And for this video, what I'd like to do is to show y'all how to quickly and easily create a pro forma financial projections for your storage space leasing business. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And after that, I'll walk y'all through the financial model that is included in my storage space leasing business plan template. So it comes with a Word document as well as a Excel file, which is your financial model. And in this video, we're going to touch on the financial model. We'll show you how to use it and what's included. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And enough about me. Let's talk about the Excel financial model that is included in the storage space leasing business plan template that I do offer. So, if and when you do buy the storage space leasing business plan template, it does come with the Word document, like I said, as well as the financial model. And in this video right here, I'm going to show you all what's included in the financial model and how to use it. So, when you do open up the financial model, the Excel sheet, it has four tabs, which is your information page. On the information page, this is where you're going to make all the changes that you want to go ahead and update for your financial model. And the second tab is going to be your projections. So anytime you update your information page, your projections tab will update, your profit and loss tab will update, and your income statement tab will update. And on the projections, this is just a summary of your revenues, your net profits, your profit margin, your advertising costs, and then it's got a nice little graph right here as well. The third tab is going to be your profit and loss tab. So again, you update your information page, your profit and loss statements will update as well. And these are broken up monthly. Your pro forma income statement for the first year is broken up monthly as well as quarterly. So this is month 1 through 3, quarter one, month 4 through 6, quarter two, and so on. And then the final tab is going to be your income statement tab. And so for your pro forma income statement tab, it's broken up annually for the next 5 years. So again, update your information page. Your income statement tab is updated as well. So on your information page, it does start with your monthly revenue. So this is a storage space leasing. Typically, you're going to be leasing storage space on a monthly basis. So since it's a monthly basis, I've customized the financial model to take in your revenues again on a monthly basis. So right here is going to be your customer sales, your variable cost. You'll be able to say how many units you've leased out, and then your price per unit on average. You'll put that right here, and that'll be your driver for your revenues. Next segment is going to be your labor. How many employees are you going to hire? What's their rate of pay? How many hours they're going to be working monthly? And then right here is a salary for your ownership and management team. The next segment is going to be your startup cost. The first two lines is how you're going to fund your startup cost. I've broken it down to equity investment and then a loan amount. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and divvy up. So whatever investment you're going to be doing, whether it be equity or loan, you're then going to take that money and you're going to put it into buckets. And the buckets are going to be your startup costs, whether it's your inventory, your advertising, your hiring and training, office equipment, what have you. Just make sure that these top two lines right here, 300,000, add up to your bottom dollar amount. You want to make sure that you allocate all your funds for your startup cost. The next section right here is just your monthly fixed cost, your rent, your utilities, your advertising, and so on. The miscellaneous information is just what your tax rate's going to be. And then you got your growth rates, and I do allow y'all to, or I've customized this to enable y'all to update your growth rates on an annual basis for your revenues. So here, you're going to update your revenues year 1 through year 5. And then you're able to update your growth rates for your various costs right here. And then finally, the loan information. Whatever dollar amount you put right here for your loan is going to automatically populate down here. Then you'll enter the interest rate and the term, and it'll calculate your payment for you. And for the financial model, it only takes in the interest portion of your payments. But once you update all this information right here in the darker colored cells, like I said, your projections, your profit and loss, and your income statement will update as well. And all you have to do is just go to each one of these statements, highlight it, and copy it, and then paste it into the Word document, and then you're all set, ready to go with your customized financial projections in your business plan template. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. Let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.